What is going on, everybody? Got another video here for you. Here I'm going to show you how to find the determinant of a matrix using Google Sheets. So we have two matrices here. We'll call this, go ahead and put an A right here. Call that matrix A. We'll call this matrix B. Alright, let's center that up right there. So the determinant of a matrix, you use this formula here, equals MDETERM, determ, and then the array. The array is the range containing the square matrix. Now, keyword here, square matrix. That means it has to have the same number of rows and columns. So if we look at this matrix A, you can see how we have 3 rows and 3 columns. So if we want to calculate the determinant, we just hit equals and then MDETERM, and then open the parentheses, and then we will select the matrix and then close the parentheses and hit enter, and we get negative 16.48. Now let's see what happens if we try to take the inverse of, not the inverse, but the determinant of this matrix. We hit equals MDETERM, open the parentheses, select the array or the matrix, and hit enter, and notice it gives us an error message, and it says MDETERM has a non-square matrix, number of rows 2 and number of columns 3. They must be equal. Alright, so not a very long video, pretty easy, but that's how you find the determinant of a matrix in Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed this video, hope it helped. Check out my other videos, give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.